Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and two commands you can see here. First is translate and second is rotate. Two command clearly translate and rotate is discussed here, and CATIA lecture 15th is discussed here. CATIA all command learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, you can see here 2 point is discussed here. First is translate and second is rotate. At first, open CATIA software and you are going to see CATIA software and all tools you can see here. Okay, this is our CATIA interface and this is all tools you can see here. This is a two tools you can see here. First is a translate and second is a rotate. Okay, this is a first is translate and second is rotate. Okay, at first select any geometry. Okay, and first is a translate in use. Okay, click and this point is a select and this point is select. Then one point is a select count here and next and and this type is a translate 10 rectangle 10 rectangular geometry draw here. First is count and ninth is remaining. This total is 10th. Okay, or this point is a select here, end point, middle point, anywhere point select. Okay, this is a end point, this is a edge point and click here, and this is a showing 10 rectangular geometry you can see here. Okay, then dimension is a fix is 20 mm, enter. Okay, this is a fix, but you are drawing you can see here this is a fix, not a. Okay, this is a click and draw. Okay, one by one this is a connect and you can see here this is a. Okay, this is a one is one is a. Okay, undo, remaining parts. Okay, this is a. Okay and again draw here a rectangular geometry. It draw, select a translate. Okay, this is already select here and this is a 60 and remaining. Okay, this is a 60. Okay, draw here, this is a delete, and again a circle is drawing. Okay, and this point is a draw here and select a translate, and this is a 9 point. First point is center line and second point is a. This is a 60 mm. This is a. Okay, and next is a rotate means this a circle is drawing. Okay, this particle all is a delete here. Okay, this circle is a draw here. Okay, and select a circle and click and draw a small circle is drawing here, and use a command is rotate, and this command is select, and this is a 10. Okay, total small circle is drawing 10, but 1 is already mentioned here and 9th is drawing. Okay, this point is a center and this point is a degree is drawing. Okay, and select okay. Again draw a and select a select a small rectangle. And draw a and select rotate and this center point and select a degree. Okay, guys. CATIA lecture 15th is completed and CATIA lecture 16 is coming soon, and 2 point discuss here. First is translate and second is rotate. Okay, all 2 point is explain all these points deeply and clearly. Or CATIA lecture 16 is coming soon, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.